Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do the unboxing of my winter Fabfitfun box. And I'm so excited. I feel like this came really early compared to the other times I've ordered from Fabfitfun. So I'm really excited to show you guys these products. And please excuse me if I sound a little stuffy. We had just gotten back from vacation and of course I had caught a cold. So I'm trying to push through. Today is Christmas Eve when I'm filming this. So between coming home on Sunday and today is Tuesday, we came home on Sunday and then we immediately had to unpack, clean, and now I'm full force into getting everyone's Christmas presents wrapped and a little bit of work done as well. So I'm really excited just to be able to sit down and relax and film a video for you guys. I know I've been gone for quite a while, but it's just been so busy that I haven't had any time to even think or breathe, let alone film a video. So I do apologize for that. I'm hoping that 2020 is going to be my best year, and I'm definitely going to be sticking to YouTube, and I'm going to be uploading more consistently and more often. So before we go ahead and get into this video, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, welcome so much. I'm so happy that you are here. Please hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more beauty, lifestyle, mommy type videos. My name is Rachel if you're not aware of that already, and I'm so excited that you're tuning into this video. So let's go ahead and get started in this massive box. So with this box, I haven't really dug into the products. The only thing that I've done is really taken the tissue paper off the top and taken things out of the boxes. So I really am excited to really actually look at the products and read what they are because I'm not even really sure what they are. So let me try to, I'm sitting on the floor just because it really is like the best lighting right now, and I'm filming a couple more videos and my room is completely trashed in a good way. It's not like actual trash, but it's so messy. Like, this is just the best spot for me to actually get things done and film. So when we open up the box, you can see it's absolutely huge and it's really cute on the inside. I'm not going to hold this up the entire time, but just like if you guys wanted to see like what the box is. So everything is in this box right here. Of course I did take everything out of the packaging, so it's kind of scattered, but that's kind of like your initial thing when you get the box. The first thing I see on the very top, it actually flew out of the box earlier. It's a planner. It says 2020. I hope you guys can see it. It's really cute. It's got like really floral print. I want to say this is a planner. These little, there's like that paper confetti everywhere, so just be forewarned if you're not used to that. But yeah, it's like a cute little planner calendar. I hope you guys can see it's a full calendar. I think this is really, really cute. It's definitely going to help me stay on track. Just a piece of paper fell out of it, but I'm really excited, and this is perfect. You can throw it in your purse or your diaper bag, whatever you have. I think it's a really good idea to put in there, especially being that we're going into a new year. The thing I have is called Thirsty Hands by, is it Nasync London? It's like a hydrating mask for your hands. I think this is a really cute idea, and myself, I have extremely dry hands, to the point where it gets uncomfortable. So I'm kind of excited to try these. At first I'm like, how gimmicky can these be? But because I got one in my box, I'm gonna go ahead and try it out and see, because if these things work, I'm definitely gonna keep buying them, because I feel like this could really be a hit product or a big miss. So I'm excited to use this one as well. The next thing we have in here is also great. I feel like this box was really good for like the winter time box. This one, it's by the brand Ahava, I believe, and it's called Dead Sea Salt. These are natural Dead Sea bath salts. I don't know what they look like, but they sound like they're really fine and grained. But these are great to put in your bath. So I'm really excited. I feel like everyone takes like warm baths and lots more baths during winter time. So I'm excited to try these out. I don't know if they're kid friendly or safe for toddlers. It doesn't say, oh, it says right here, not to be used for children under 3 years of age. So I won't be putting these in my baby's bath, but I'll definitely try them out in mine. I'm actually really cool. I was not expecting this. I did get to preview I believe it was 3 things in my set, and this was not one of them. So when I did get this, I was like, oh my gosh, this is so cool, because I was actually considering buying this, but I never like actually bought it. So I was like, wow, they sent me it. So I'm so excited to finally try these. This is the makeup eraser, the original. So it's the pink one. I'm going to go ahead and take this specific one out for you, because I know maybe some of you are not really aware of what a makeup eraser is. I know I wasn't when I first heard of this. So what it is, and I believe all you have to do, it's literally like a washcloth, like a longer washcloth, and all they say that you have to do is, I think, wet it. Yeah, you can you wash it 1 to 2 times per week, and you basically like wet it, and it takes off all your makeup. So I think that is so cute, and it like looks like the box is a pink eraser, like if anyone remembers like in school having those big pink erasers. So I think this is really, really cute. This is like a great idea. I'm so excited to try this. This I feel like is like all the rage right now. Right now I am using like a cleansing balm. So I'm definitely excited to try that out, especially because the winter time, doing all the events and parties and everything, I do go a little bit heavier on my makeup. So I'm excited to see if this will take off all of it. I also have in this box, this is by Enro Laszlo in New York. This is the Exfoliate and Detox Pore Cleansing Clay Mask. Enro Laszlo, I believe that's how you pronounce it. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. They are a brand that a lot of people enjoy. I've seen a couple of their things in Sephora. I've also seen them at TJ Maxx, but I've never heard of this Exfoliate and Detox Mask, and I feel like going into a new year, this is a good product. So all around, especially if you're a mom and you've just been like running around and this season has just been getting the best of you, this would be great, especially on like a weekend night, to just really get to relax and put a facial mask on. So I'm really excited to try this. Cutest piece of jewelry came in my box this I almost said this month, but there's only 4 a year. So this season, it is by Adore, and it does say it's available at Bloomingdale's and Nordstrom, which is really cool, because if you're interested in this brand of jewelry or this catches your eye, you could go to Nordstrom or Bloomingdale's and see if you can pick something like this up or something similar from the brand. But again, it's Adore, and it says crystals from Swarovski crystal. So that's really cute. And what it is I should actually show you. I'll do a close-up of it too if I can get a chance as well. But it is this really cute rose gold necklace with a kind of unfinished circle. You can tell it's not a perfect circle, and there is a Swarovski crystal in it. The whole thing is rose gold, so I think this is really cute. Oh, I'm sorry, it's not a necklace, it's a bracelet. But bracelets are cute too. I love bracelets. So I'll definitely do a close-up of this. I think this is the cutest thing ever, especially because the simplicity of it. So I'm really, really so happy I got this in my box. Okay, so this product is really, it's kind of funny because I was at TJ Maxx, and my TJ Maxx had so much Kate Somerville stuff. I was like, Kate Somerville at TJ Maxx? Are you serious? So I found this at TJ Maxx, and I was like, do I buy it? Do I not buy it? I literally held it in my hand and like walked around the store, and I was like, no, I'm not going to buy it and put it back on the shelf. But it came in my Fabfitfun box. So I think this is so funny that it did, because I was so on the fence about buying this. This is the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. It says condition and restore. So this is what it is right here. It's in a purple box, again by Kate Somerville. This is so cool. I haven't even opened it because like I didn't open the one in TJ Maxx because I was so unsure of it. And if I'm definitely on the fence about it, I won't open the product up. But it comes in this cute little container right here. So I'll go ahead and open up, see what it smells like. You know, it's got a nice sealer on the top. Ooh, it's very, very liquidy. Oh my goodness, I almost spilled it everywhere. It smells very basic, like a basic, I don't want to say like bad, but like there's, you know, like mature like makeup, like that smell. That's what this smells like, but it's super thin and watery. So maybe it will work because it won't be heavy on the skin, but it will also be moisturizing enough to use on dry skin, where it will definitely get down deep in your pores. So I'm really, really happy I got this. I'm excited to try it out because I'm almost out of my moisturizer now. So this is definitely going to be my next go. I have this from Drybar, which is really cool that you get Drybar in this box because Drybar is a really good brand. I do stand behind them. This is the Prep and Rally Spray. So this is Prime and Prep Detangler, which is really nice. I don't really have tangly hair or problems or issues, so if I can find someone, I'm definitely going to give this to a friend or family member. If not, I'll keep it in its packaging for now. I'm not too sure, or maybe I'll just go ahead and test it out myself. We'll see. But it was really, really kind of them to put this in the box as well, make this an option. This was not one of the ones that I picked out, so this was really a neat surprise to have in the box. And it does say protects up to 450 degrees, and I know that my hair tools are definitely below 450 degrees, so I know this will prime and protect my hair. So maybe I'll go ahead and give this a try and let you guys know how it is. Oh, the last thing that did come in the box that I do not see because I have a toddler and he gets into everything and he must have thrown it somewhere and I can't find it. It's not an item really that like had come in the box, but it is a kind of like a magazine of all the products that you can purchase from them and kind of an overall of what Fabfitfun is. So you do get that, and they did have a HelloFresh gift card that came in there as well. I have been getting HelloFresh gift cards in previous boxes as well, so that's another thing to look out for. Make sure that you search in there to see if you got one. Don't kind of skim over it if you haven't. But that's another thing that came in the box that was really cool, along with the magazine that really kind of explains like what Fabfitfun is and other things like that. So I'm really excited about this box. I feel like it was a great winter box. Lots of products for cold weather and dry skin, so to speak, and some really, really cute beauty products. I want to say when they ask you online, you can do like beauty, lifestyle, workouts. I want to say I chose beauty and lifestyle, so I'm in love with the stuff that I got in my box, and I will have a link down below. I don't have a code for Fabfitfun, unfortunately. Maybe someday, but I will leave their website link down below in the description box if you want to try out Fabfitfun. I think it's a really cool service. It comes 4 times a year. This video is not sponsored by them, so you don't have to worry about that. This is my own opinion of the subscription company, and I'm really, really impressed with this box, and I can't wait to see what 2020 brings for their boxes next year. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, I would greatly, greatly appreciate it. And if you use Fabfitfun as well, go ahead and leave a comment down below. I would love to hear the things that you got in your boxes and what do you want to see in your next boxes as well. And thank you so much for tuning into this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!